Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we today?
We're in Wiltshire.
The famous
White Horse.
Milk Hill.
Well, yeah.
And Milk Hill, which is the historic county top that we're going up. Alton. Cows, my favourite. Done all the gates. Well, those ones think it's going to rain, and these ones on the path we're going are being spiteful. Yeah, right hand path. I love cows. Cows are my absolute favourite. Cows with horns. Correction, they're my absolute favourite. Yeah, I think they're all. It's alright, we're not waiting that. That's a fallacy. It's flappy stuff that they eat actually. I've noticed that these cows all have only one udder. It means they're not cows, they're steers. Great. Which way? They do seem quite used to people walking through though. You've got to move right in the way on purpose, haven't you? Morning. That just means you've got a runny nose. And there's the famous white horse. Looks a bit scabby, to be fair. So here we are, directly on top of Cheryl's latest disappointment. It's vintage! Milk Hill is just up there. Contour around a bit and follow it back round there. We've come up over there, down there, across the top of the horse and then round here. Now this is Milk Hill. Up there. Could really have expected cows up here. Steers. You know the best way of getting away from them, don't you? You don't have to be the fastest runner. You just have to be faster than the person walking. You as well. How did you get in there? Thinking you're not supposed to be in there. Well, you know what they say, grass always looks greener on the other side. Sorry, one for Dad. Well, we've decided that this somewhere is the top of Milk Hill. There's a big spin on the side here. But we're going to say that this is it. Milk Hill, possibly.
Just giving my auntie back what hand wash to clean his hands. It's pretty windy here, but we do just have to do one thing for our record.
See the dike that's been dug all the way through here. Goes back to the Middle Ages. They're not entirely sure why. Yeah, they weren't entirely sure why this was dug, but the Romans built a road along it as well. So we're going to walk along it.
That's what you call a pile of shit.
Thought you might want to look at me for a minute. You can see the car. Pass through there in the distance. Sheep, like sheep, they don't try and kill you with stupidity. That's what I don't like about cows. They're not even doing it on purpose, they're just stupid and will kill you because of their stupidity. Well, I prefer the taste of cows to sheep. That's the think about it. And then you guys win. Cheryl scaring sheep. Oh, it's High Spy all over again. Where you separated the sheep.
That wasn't High Spy, that was coming off Cat Bells.
Yeah, it was the High Spy walk.
Yeah, it was High Spy walk. Coming down off Cat Bells. And excuse me, they were stood in the path.
Still separated them and one of them came charging past.
Yeah, that's absolutely Jesus out of them.
Find the link to that video here.
Please, 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 if you're watching this video, subscribe to his channel because it's driving me crazy because every day he looks and he looks really disappointed that he hasn't got any new visitors or any new subscribers.
We're in double figures.
Are we?
Yeah.
How many?
10.
10!
I love this country at this time of year. So darling, that was Milk Hill done. Historic county top of Wiltshire. Yeah, visit Wiltshire.